Hi, what's up, guys? I'm back. Uh, if you don't know, 3.5 years ago, I was arrested by the FBI for the January 6th insurrection. So, yeah, so I've been in prison for 3.5 years. Yay, prison. Anyways, uh, I know a lot of you have subscribed, the majority of you have subscribed since then. And I thank you for subscribing, welcome, and thank you for staying around and see what happens. And for you, those that were with me before, uh, thanks for staying along. Uh, I know last video I posted was the first day or two of my girls' trip. Me and my girls tripped up to Sturgis. I do have the footage for the rest of that trip. The feds didn't get that, so as soon as I can, I will get editing in those and post those so you guys can see the rest of the trip. And then unfortunately, I've had to move, lost my job and my house and everything because of the what happened. But because of Trump, I'm free and clear, and I can pick up the pieces and rebuild my life with me and my old lady. So that's what we plan on doing. I still have the motorcycle, thank God. But so I will uh, be coming out with some more videos. Hopefully, that's the plan. So please stick around, and thank you so much for sticking around so far. And I'll see you guys later. And all right.